Guys, and good to see you again. Welcome again to another video. This is Alphon, and today we're going to have an update, and I'm going to show you some and tricks and some tips on how to use your smooth Q2. And if you do have a BOYA microphone. Okay, so I will give you some tips and tricks and how to install or attach or a setup where you can use your BOYA mic and with your Q2. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so before that, here we go. Alright, so for this tutorial, guys, okay, so the first thing that you need to remember for doing this trick, okay, for your ZHIYUN Q2, okay, the first thing is you need to have a tripod, okay, and then you need also to have a wire. Okay, so I bought this wire in Daiso, okay, and this is the thickness, all right, so 2.0 mm, but okay, I just used the red wire here, so it is much more obvious, so you can see the function. And so for us to attach or to set up our BOYA microphone in our Q2 gimbal. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is, of course, try to measure, okay, the length of the wire that you need, yeah, and then you need to cut it with the pliers, yeah. So I already have some, so you can also use a black wire, so it can blend. Of course, it will not show, it's not very obvious when you use your gimbal. All right, so I already have cut here, and okay, this is what you do. Okay, so all right, hold on. All right, so this is the setup, what it looks like. Okay, so I already formed this wire like this, okay, and of course I measure it, okay, to be like this. Okay, so you can see the bottom, and that is why the tripod is very important to secure this wire, okay, to hold it in position. Okay, so let's install it. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I already made it up. Okay, so I tried different way to secure it, or to have this is a DIY setup, as you can see. All right, so you can have this. So as you have noticed, you have this wires like this. It's not really secure, right? Okay, so you don't want that to get in the way of the gimbal, so when it rotates, so you still have the movement, yeah, it will not be restricted by these wires. Okay, so there's a lot of ways for you to secure this. It's either you can put some tape to secure it, yeah, temporarily you can use this, yeah, tape to secure it. But I also found some way to secure it, since I have this Velcro, yeah, from my Asus computer. So they have this very nice Velcro. So what I did is I put this here. Okay, like so, and then you can secure it this way. Yeah, very nice, right? Okay, and then I just wrap it here. Okay, so now I have secured, okay, a mic holder. But technically, guys, you can buy a bracket. It's available online, so you can have that too. All right, so but the good thing about this is you can adjust the way you want it, right? As you can see, I just bent it this way. All right, so as you have noticed, there's still a lot of space, right? So now, since you have this shoe, right, okay, for your mic, okay, so you can easily slide this and then rotate it so you can tighten it, right? Okay, all right, so just like that. Yeah, so basically you can change the direction of the mic. You can put the mic position like this. Yeah, as you can see, you have a lot of ways or freedom to move this mic around if you have this DIY wire compared to a metal bracket. You cannot do this with your metal bracket, right? Or for to mount your mic. And then the good thing here is, even though you're walking, it's you have this shock absorption, right? Because of the wire, it can move like this, but it will not affect the sound. It won't create any sound actually, even though it's moving. So technically, this is how it looks like, right, when you're holding your gimbal, right? Okay, and then, all right, so when you put your phone, okay, so let's secure it. Okay, so all right, so here's the camera, all right, and like this. Okay, all right, so another tip, guys. Okay, as you can see, there is like some space here. It's not really totally secure, right? As you have noticed, right? Okay, so there is also another tips and tricks for this. Okay, so what to do, right? So I have two rubber band here. Okay, so all you have to do is, right, by the way, this is very thick rubber band. Okay, so I just found it from my microphone mount. Yeah, so I don't use it anymore. So I found out I can use it this way. Okay, so how? All right, so first, right, all right, so you have this, right, so insert the rubber band here like this. Okay, so as you can see, you have space here, right? Okay, so slide your phone here, okay, and then you can, right, you can do this. All right, okay, hold on, I think I got it wrong. Okay, hold on. Okay, but the idea is to secure your phone. You can use this rubber band to secure it. Okay, so just like this. Oh, I done it the wrong way. Okay, so you can like that, like so. All right, so even though there is you know something that restrict you from doing some activity in your phone. But one thing for sure, you have an access um, to put the or record, press the record. Yeah. So once you secure it, okay, right. So let it put it this way, right? Okay, slide it. Okay. Right, so you have the setup. Okay, you can adjust your phone like so. Okay, but also when you try to balance it, include the mic already. Okay, so like that, so it can compensate the weight of the wire. Okay, so as you can see, there is right position. Well, the good thing about this, the advantage again, is you can move around the mic. It depends of, right, you can double check if it's it affects the movement of the gimbal. So there is no problem because it's a wire, you can move it around, right? Okay, so this is how it looks like now, right? The setup, right? And how about turn it on? Okay, so we can see the movement, right? All right, flawless. Okay, so now you have the mic set up attached here, right? Your gimbal and your camera, your cell phone. Okay, so let me show you guys. So this is the setup. All right, as you can see, all right, so you have your phone. It's very secure, right? And it is all right attached with the microphone, your BOYA microphone. So you have the freedom. Okay, so as you can see, it's hanging around here, right? But it's no problem, you can always switch and adjust. And that is the good thing about this DIY bracket or mount, mic mount for your gimbal, right? So you can still do it, all right, if you do some vlogging, so it is not a problem. Yeah, so it can move around your gimbal. That is the most important thing. You can adjust your mic in any way that you want. You can even switch it to face here like this, so you can talk right with your mic right at you, right? It's facing. So this is my setup, guys, and I hope this DIY tips and tricks for using your Smooth Q2 by ZHIYUN, it is very helpful, right? You don't need to buy, if you do have already a BOYA mic and you're wondering how to attach this using your Smooth Q2, so this is my setup, right? So I hope this tips and tricks can help you, all right, figure out how to install your BOYA microphone. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. All right, so see you again, guys, and have a great day. Bye.